Hey, super quick video today. Cody, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin. Following up on my last video about pigmentation, some people were asking some more questions about just exactly how to make your hydroquinone work better. So I'm going to show you a couple of things right now. I'm just using these products as examples and then I'll share. I was going to do my face, but I'm just not feeling it, so I'm not going to do that. So, okay, so if you're using a hydroquinone product now and your pigment just comes right back or you're wondering why it's not really working, I'm going to just share a couple tips with you that will help you get better results from your current product. So the first thing you need to know about hydroquinone is that you should stop using it every about 4 months if it's a 4% or higher, 6 months if it's a 2%, and you're using it twice a day, it should be fine. It's always good to just take a little break from the hydroquinones and really a lot of products because your skin gets memory to a product, but hydroquinone, you can start to actually develop a different type of pigmentation. So just go off of it and break for like every 90 days. Also, it'll kind of tell you if it's really the right ingredient for your pigmentation. So if you stop using it and your pigment comes right back, then you maybe were not using it correctly or it's the wrong ingredient for your specific type of pigmentation because there's different forms of it. So the next thing you need to know is that hydroquinone prefers a lower pH environment. So that means that typically what will happen if it's formulated like a compounding pharmacy, every place does it a little differently. They will blend in the hydroquinone with something that is a lower pH or acidic, or what they'll do is they'll have you use something that is a lower pH or acidic before. A lot of people don't talk about this, but this is really important because it's important to know that hydroquinone easily oxidizes. That's why it's often very yellow and turns brown. So it prefers a lower pH environment, something that is typically acidic, like glycolic acid. So if you use, I'm going to just show you, like if you're a customer of mine and you use my advanced lactic or my advanced exfoliating cleanser, or I don't have it, my glycolic cream, those are, or my vitamin C, or another brand of whatever, all of my products of those exfoliants are around a pH of 3. So that's perfect. So if you apply that to your skin and then go in and apply the hydroquinone right after, the lower pH of the product you applied first, whether it's the lactic exfoliating cleanser, another brand, it doesn't matter, whatever exfoliant or alpha hydroxy acid you have is fine, unless it's kind of over 3.5 pH. Actually, honestly, it won't do much. Actually, it won't do what I'm telling you it'll do, because I'm trying to get the people that aren't getting those results to get a better result. And so the reason why it usually doesn't get a good result is because a lot of products over the counter are actually a little higher pH, on 3.2, 3, or 5. So if you cleanse, use the lactic or glycolic, and then go right in with the hydroquinone, that should really help you to get better results from the hydroquinone. And then once that's mixed into the skin, and I do recommend really massaging the hydroquinone. Do you guys need a video on all of this? I'll do one for you if you really want it. I'm probably just trying to be a little lazy today and get this video up because so many people were asking on that last video, which it made me think I didn't explain it good enough. So. But anyway, if you go in right afterwards, after you massage that in for like a minute, and then let it soak in for a couple minutes, and go right in and apply a retinol or a retinoic acid, vitamin A, to the skin afterwards, you'll even get better results. You'll get the vitamin A to push in the hydroquinone deeper into the skin. Or you can also mix and cocktail together the lower pH product and the hydroquinone, and then apply that, then do the retinol at the end. Does that make sense? So like mix the hydroquinone with glycolic cream or another serum or something like that, cocktail them, and then apply it. That will also is another way around this. I don't know if I'm losing you. I'm just trying to, yeah, I think that's enough for today. Yeah, let me know if you guys want that video. I'll do it for you guys. I feel like I'm beating you over the head with a dead horse with the same things. So I'm feeling just cautious of like regurgitating the same info, but it is what it is. So I'll do that video if you guys really want. But that should really help you. And if that's not helping you, then you probably either need to exfoliate more or get a stronger amount of hydroquinone or prescription or something like that. But try this. Let me know if it helps. You can always ask your questions below. And remember to stay gorgeous, and I'll see you really soon in a new video. Bye!